This is Nongshim Bowl Noodle Soup, spicy kimchi flavor. And it says 3 minutes microwave. Its total is 360 calories. So you can cook with microwave or just hot water. Today I'm gonna using hot water. Here is a tip for noodle texture. If you want a little bit hard, you do it 3 minutes. Regular 3.5. If you want a soft noodle, you're gonna go for 4 minutes. This is the soup base. And this is the flake. There is a water line. We just dump the water right onto the line. Probably just a little bit more. Okay, right here. And close the lid. Alright, it's already 4 minutes. Looking good. I'm going to try the soup. Very good kimchi flavor. Let me see the noodles. The noodle is soft and smooth. It is not sweet at all, and the salt is just about right. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my kimchi noodle. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.